Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the evaporator fan motor in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flatblade screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and a pair of needle nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new evaporator fan motor. The evaporator fan motor is located inside the freezer compartment behind the cover panel. This fan blows air over the evaporator coils, supplying cold air throughout the entire refrigerator. If your fresh food section is not cold and the freezer is not cold enough, check the evaporator fan motor and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. Next, we need to remove this freezer shelf. I'm going to slide it to the left. And so I'm going to free the right side and lift it up and pull it out. Our next step would be removing this cover box, which is on the left upper corner on our rear access panel. I'm going to insert the flatblade screwdriver into this opening to the very top of it and press down on the tab so we can remove the cover. Next, I'm going to slide this ground wire clip. I'm using the same flatblade screwdriver. And I'm going to press these tabs in and I'm going to push the plug inside. Next step is to remove this 2 1/4-inch screws that holds the panel. Using a 1/4-inch nut driver, I'm going to take them out. And now I'm going to remove the panel by tilting this forward and working it out. Lifting up. Alright, so next thing to do, we need to unplug that plug at the back so we can free the motor harness. I'm going to reach in, there's 2 tabs there, press it in. And now we can remove the panel with the motor out so we can work on the table. And continue with disassembling. We need to remove this couple of clips here. I'm going to use the needle nose pliers. I'm going to move it. Okay, and I'm going to remove it. I'm going to lift it up and turn it around here so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to insert the flatblade screwdriver right here. I'm going to spread it apart and it comes off just like that. Next, I'm going to remove this blade off. I'm going to pull it straight out. Be careful, don't break it. Put it aside. And turn it over again. Next, I'm going to unlock these 2 tabs here so we can remove the rear mounting bracket. Using the same flatblade screwdriver, we're going to press it out like this, slide it, and I'm going to press it here and slide it. So now it's unlocked and we're going to pull it off. And now we can lift out this motor. This is the old evaporator fan motor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Next, I'm going to install the new motor into this mounting bracket. Goes in this way. Next I'm going to install this rear bracket. And push it down and turn it. It's locked. Now I'm going to turn this assembly over. Now I'm going to slide this washer onto the shaft. It was on the old motor shaft. It popped off when we took off the motor. It covers up the opening, so it's like preventing water to get inside the motor. Alright, so I'm going to slide on the blade here onto the shaft. I'm going to support the motor from the back. Slide it on. Make sure it's not touching anywhere. And I'm going to install now the duct, air duct. Alright, so these 4 tabs we've got in the air duct will be inserted into this 4 cutouts. And now I'm going to push it down. It locks in, so I'm going to turn it around and we're going to install the locking rings. Alright, so I'm going to drop this ring on. And this one goes over here. And I'm going to use the needle nose pliers and I'm going to turn it to lock. Right now I'm going to plug this in and I'm going to install the ground wire. Okay, and the ground wire goes right there. Now I'm going to pick it up and install it into the freezer. Alright, so I'm going to bring it in and we're going to do what? We are going to plug this in. And bring it up. Insert the bottom into this cutout. And I'm going to mount it to the wall using the 1/4" nut driver. I'm going to install a couple of 1/4" screws. So after we align these holes here, I'm going to insert the screw and tighten it. And now we can place this cover on. That 2 little prongs at the bottom goes into these 2 cutouts at the bottom. Bring it up and push it in. Now I'm going to install the freezer shelf back in. I'm going to insert the left side into this upper row of holes here. Push it in. And I'm going to slide the right side down and push it to the right so it will interlock. So now we can close the freezer door, and after that we're done. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.